Artificial intelligence enables powerful communication tools. In this video, I will show you how to convert your speech into text and then transform that text into written works with correct spelling and grammar using Google Bard and other communication tools powered with artificial intelligence. This video has 2 steps. Step 1, voice dictation. Step 2, text transformation into written works. Step 1, voice dictation. Google Docs has a voice typing function. Go to Google Docs and in the top bar, look for Tools. Click Tools, then go to Voice Typing. Voice typing transforms your speech into text and then puts it directly into a Google Docs document. When you click voice typing, you get a microphone icon. When you click it, the dictation will begin. Microsoft Word also has a voice typing function. Go to Microsoft Word, look at the top toolbar in the far right, look for the button with 3 dots, ... Then look for voice, dictate. When you click the arrow, there's an option to dictate and transcribe. Dictate dictates your words in real time. Transcribe allows you to upload an audio file, which is then transcribed into text. Right now we're going to click dictate. And then a microphone icon pops up. When you click the microphone icon, it will start typing your words as you speak. This is the voice typing function in Microsoft Word. So once you're done with your dictation, the next step is to transform that text into written works. For that, we're going to use Google Bard, B-A-R-D. Google Bard is Google's artificial intelligence. To go to Google Bard, you can Google Bard, B-A-R-D. The top link will take you to bard.google.com. This is the artificial intelligence. At the bottom of the Bard webpage is a prompt box. A prompt is your request to the artificial intelligence to perform some action. In the prompt box, I typed in my prompt. For the purposes of this video, my prompt, my request to Google's artificial intelligence is correct spelling and grammar errors in the following text, space. Correct spelling and grammar errors in the following text, space. On the far right of the prompt box is a microphone icon, so you can click that and then you can actually dictate directly into the prompt box. So the prompt could be simply, it could be various things. So in this first demonstration, we're going to use this prompt. The next step is to copy and paste the text into the prompt box after the prompt. So in this text box to the right is the text of a discussion that I did earlier. I'm going to select all, copy, go back to the prompt box, and then paste my dictation. So now the prompt box says correct spelling and grammar errors in the following text, space, and then the transcription of my text. Next, hit enter and then it will think for a while, the Google Artificial Intelligence, and generate the answer. Here Google says, sure, here's a text corrected with spelling and grammar. So this reads a lot better than my original dictation. So you can now do various things with this answer. You can do with this transformation. For example, I can change words within a text. For example, the word memorandum. Let's say I want to change that to simply memo. So I can put here, replace memorandum with memo. And then hit enter. So the spinning star here indicates that Google Bard is thinking and processing my request. It says here, sure, I can do that. Here's the text with memorandum replaced with memo. So then it made that particular correction. So I can do various replacements and corrections with this text. One thing that I was impressed with was my original text said Counterman D. Colorado. But Google Bard knew that this was a legal case and changed it to V, so Counterman v. Colorado. If you look at the bottom of the answer box, there's several buttons. There's a thumbs up button, a thumbs down button, and then there's a third button with 3 lines, and it says modify response. This allows you to take the above answer, make it shorter, longer. You can make it simpler, more casual, or more professional. Let's click more professional. So the spinning circle here indicates that the artificial intelligence is thinking. And it says, sure, here's a text with a more professional tone. You can also, next to the modify response button, is a share and export button. So you can share, you can also export it to your Gmail. You can also export it to Docs. So that's how you can extract the text from Google Bard. You can do various things with it. In this case, I would like to summarize it in one sentence. So Google Bard is thinking, and here we go. Sure, here's the text summarized in one sentence. Google Bard can be used to summarize, outline, and analyze legal cases in matters of seconds. I want to show you in the answer box the little audio arrow at the right. If you click this speaker icon, Google Bard will read back the answer to you.
Sure, here is the text summarized in one sentence. Google Bard can be used to summarize, outline, and analyze legal cases in a matter of seconds.
So that's a nice function. So to show you, let's go back to the modify response. You can do shorter, longer, simpler, more casual. Let's see what happens when we click more casual. Let it think. So here's the answer.
Sure, here is the text summarized in one sentence in a more casual tone. Google Bard can help you get the gist of legal cases quickly and easily.
So you can do various things with the thing I showed you where I replaced the word memorandum into memo. I want to demonstrate another thing too. Here's another prompt where I ask it, in this prompt, I ask it to remove contractions from a text. So the text says, I'm going to the store and you'll be there and they'll love it. So I wrote in the prompt box, in the following text, remove contractions. Let's see how Google Bard performs. So hit enter. Let it think. Then here's the answer. It says here, sure, here's the text with the contractions removed. I'm going to the store and we'll be there and they will love it. And then it tells you what it did. It converted I'm to I am, you'll to you will, they'll to they will. So artificial intelligence is a tool, and it's limited by the programming, the inputs, as well as your request, your prompts. But with Google Bard, we're able to do some transformation of our spoken words into written words, and it's a good option for us to consider and may increase our productivity and quality of our work.